Hello, I've got this here case from Crave is the brand. I haven't used their cases before, but they sent me a few cases. I just did another video on a different color one, same model, for my iPhone 16 Pro that I've got here. So they just want me to review these and tell you what I think. As you see here, it shows all their features. Slim design, shock absorption, premium quality, and precise cutouts, which the last case did look very good. This here one, if you see, it's the berry color. So I'm gonna open this one up and let you check it out. Now the last one, dude, they pack these really good too. The last one, I showed you guys how the inner rubber gasket comes apart from the frame. You can do that. It's probably easier to put on and off that way, or you can fit it around the phone too. What I do want to show you, which I showed in the last video, there's the MagSafe transfer ring. So basically this supports MagSafe wireless charging at MagSafe speeds. So we can just put this thing in like this. You can do it this way too. Last one I did put the gasket on first and then put this plastic frame around it, outer frame. Now, as you see, both of these cases, the rubber gasket is slightly different color than the actual plastic frame on the back. Now this isn't really, I mean, it's plastic, but it's got a rubberized feel to it. Really nice. It's not overly rubberized where you can't slide it in and out of your pocket, but it's just right, actually. So do know that in time it might lose the rubberization, you know, and turn pretty much slick, but who knows in time how these will go. But a lot of cases do that. I'm not sure about this one. So some of them wear down and stuff and they get slick, you know. Again, they have cutout for camera control. Of course it shows because this is a touch sensitive sliding button like that. Real buttons showing here in black for your buttons, so that's good because they're easy to click. I mean, it works every time. If you see, volume up and volume down works perfect. So that's handy, really handy. As you see, very protective for the cameras. The lenses do not jet out past this here lip, so unless you hit it right on them, they're pretty well protected on this case. So that's good too. And it's great having a rubberized lining because that helps absorb when it hits on something. So that's handy too. Let me show you just how easy it is to get out of here. You just start, I like to start on the bottom corners, taking a phone out of a case, and then you kind of can slide it out. I hate starting over here because then you have to like pry it around the buttons and stuff. So yeah, that's what works the best for me, at least. So as you see, it's kind of got a little design here and stuff. Yeah, it's really nice. If you see the buttons there, that's what you got. Just plastic just hitting onto the real buttons. So yeah, yeah, great priced. I mean, it's fair. So I mean, a good quality at a really fair price. You know, it's market pricing. So definitely I would recommend these. Already I haven't tried them for long term, but I will try these out since I've got them now. So I may even do follow-up videos about how a certain case of theirs has lasted. So yeah, so I'm gonna post that link to my Amazon affiliate account, my Amazon affiliate link, in the video description. So if you want to get this berry color, or you'll see all the other available colors on that Amazon listing. So thanks for watching today. Like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this.